When we talk about unique burgers, we gotta talk about this Patacon Burger. Do you see the juice that's coming off of that? You're not ready. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So when we talk about fried green plantains, it goes under a couple of names. You might know it as tostones or patacones. Okay, so we're going to peel the plantain. To do that, we're going to cut off both ends. Then we're going to stick it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Okay, so here we have our plantain that was in the microwave. As you can see, it has turned color. We're just going to cut a slit to make sure you don't cut through the flesh. And then we're simply just going to peel it off. Just like that. See how easily, whew, it's hot still. It comes off. It's hot, ladies and gentlemen. Then we're going to cut these in half because I want them to be the same size as the hamburger patty itself. We're gonna put it in a bowl of cold water so that it doesn't oxidize. Okay, so to a pot of hot oil, I'm going to add my half plantain. Okay, now we're going to flatten the plantains. I have my, what they call tostonera. Basically, it flattens the plantain. Just like that. And then we're going to repeat with the others. Now I'm going to fry these at the last minute because I want the patacones to be super crispy. So we'll wait until our burger is done. We're going to be serving this with one of my wife's favorites, a bacon onion jam. Then I have some bacon. And we're just going to cut it into small pieces. Just like that. Now we're gonna add the bacon. Okay, now I'm gonna add the onion. Okay, so now that the onions have cooked down a little bit, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt, some pepper, some oregano. Okay, and then I'm going to add piloncillo. You know I use this a lot in my cooking. This is unrefined sugarcane, and it has a molasses caramel-like flavor. But if you can't find piloncillo, you can substitute brown sugar. We're going to add about 2 ounces. We're also going to add some balsamic vinegar. I'm adding about an ounce. I'm also adding a secret ingredient. It's called salsa Lizano. This is used in Costa Rican cuisine, especially in the dish called gallo pinto. And it has a Worcestershire steak sauce type of flavor. I think it's going to go great with this bacon jam. I'm adding a guajillo chili just for flavor, not so much for heat. And then lastly, we're going to add some coffee. And we're going to allow this to simmer until it becomes a jammy consistency. So the burger patty that I'm using today is a blend between chuck and brisket. And I picked this up at my local grocery store, and it is a really fine product. Okay, for the burger, we're gonna add a little bit of oil to our cast iron pan. Then I'm gonna take my burger, and we're just gonna season it with some kosher salt. Also some cracked black pepper. Now we're going to flip them. Okay, now we're going to fry our patacones so they're nice and crispy. And now I'm going to add some pepper jack cheese. And I'm doing a double burger, so that. Okay, so here I have my fried patacones. I'm going to take 1/2 and I'm going to spread this, what is called Mayo-Ketchup, which is mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together, but I also added some relish, some garlic. We're gonna add some lettuce, some baby romaine, and some sliced tomatoes. Then we're gonna take our burger, place it right on top. Then we're gonna take our bacon onion jam. I'm gonna place that on top. And then we're gonna top with the other half. Take some garlic oil and just brush the top of the patacon. And there you have it, a Patacon burger with a bacon onion jam. Sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.